Today we will go through English Fairy book of 2nd standard CBSE syllabus Macmillan's Education. In this we will go through the first chapter, Joe the Baby Caterpillar. Joe the Baby Caterpillar. Reading. Do you know what a young caterpillar grows up to be? Read on to find out. It was summer. Joe, the baby caterpillar, crawled slowly and nibbled the green leaves. I am so hungry. Joe ate during summer days. Then came autumn. The green leaves turned yellow. Joe wanted to play, but she was slow. I am so tired. I have been crawling for many days now. Joe found a cozy place in the branches of a grapevine. She quickly made a soft blanket for herself. I am very sleepy. Meanings: crawled, moved slowly, nibbled, took small bites of autumn, season between summer and winter, grapevine, a climbing plant where grapes grow. Soon it was winter. The grapevines were covered with snow. Joe was fast asleep within her blanket. In spring, the sun came out with its bright sunbeams. The plants woke up from the long winter sleep. The birds sang their lovely songs. Joe began to feel very warm. Her blanket was very thick. She stretched her body inside the blanket. Oh, my blanket has cracked. Joe came out to greet spring, but she had changed completely. I have become a butterfly. Now I have colorful wings. See, I can fly. Reading comprehension. Tick the correct options to complete each sentence. Joe was tired because she had been crawling for many days. Soon it was winter and the grapevines were covered with snow. When it was spring, the plants and flowers woke up from their winter sleep. Joe changed into a beautiful butterfly. Complete the answers to these questions. What did Joe do when she became very tired? When Joe became very tired, she made a cozy place in the branches of grapevine. She made a soft blanket for herself and she slept. When was Joe feeling sleepy? Joe was feeling sleepy because she was tired as she was crawling for many days. How did Joe feel under her thick blanket when spring came? Under the thick blanket, Joe was feeling very much warm and hence she stretched her body inside the blanket. What happened to the thick blanket when Joe stretched? Joe's thick blanket got cracked and she came out to greet spring. Vocabulary. Match these animals with their young ones. One has been done for you. You can complete this activity. Then comes the grammar. Next, underline the naming words or nouns in this sentence. The caterpillar covered herself with a blanket. Caterpillar. Most birds live in nests. Birds. My father is reading a newspaper. Father. My sister goes to school in the school bus. Sister. The boy is wearing a hat. Boy. Caterpillar, boy, butterfly, bird, blanket, forest, leaf, man. These nouns are names of any person, place, animal or thing. Such nouns are called as common nouns. Read these words. Pranav, India, Bruno, Nehru Park, Mumbai, Rani. These nouns are special names of people, places, animals and things. Such nouns are called as proper nouns. They always begin with a capital letter. Now read these sentences. I live in this city. This is a common noun. I live in Hyderabad. Hyderabad, that is a proper noun. The dog was playing. This is a common noun. Dog. Juno was playing. Juno is a proper noun. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in these sentences. One has been done for you. You can complete. Okay. Write proper nouns for these common nouns. These are the proper nouns. You need to write the names for these. Next, punctuation. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. This is Joe, the baby caterpillar. My home is on a tree. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. I is always written in capital letter. Rewrite using capital letters and full stop. You can complete this activity. Okay. Look at the picture. Complete the passage using words from the boxes. It is a lovely day. The sun is shining. The flowers are blooming. There are many butterflies flying. There is a bee too. The girl is feeling happy. Then comes the activity. Yeah, this completes the chapter. For the next chapter, you can follow my next video. Playlists are created and videos are uploaded in sequential order so that you won't miss any of the chapters. Thank you.